Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Rogue side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and trim removal tools. Next, make sure you have a compatible replacement mirror for your specific Nissan Rogue model. Finally, park your vehicle on a level surface, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. This preparation is key for a smooth replacement. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tools to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly using the original 3 or 4 mounting bolts. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. Before reassembling the door, test the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals to confirm proper operation. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Give the new mirror a final check for proper alignment and ensure all power functions are working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Rogue side mirror. For more great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.